a little bit of fun now. I make one track out of two now, and it's a little bit funny when I'm wrong now, but everybody's talking about the breakdown. So I break these records into pieces and fix them together just how I need them. Play it in the club at 12 o'clock, and what can I say? Party non-stop.
Idemo vlog, jutro je 4. juli i upravo idem da položem neke online testove za dotenju, pošto nemam tu licencu State of Louisiana za svaki state, postoje jedna druga i da baš ću vam pokažem taman jedan od razloga ovako veliki plus ovog IDEMO što pored stana koji naravno imamo možemo da koristimo i kancelariju, konferencijsku salu, pa ja obično gore idem, kao što ću pogledati danas, idem da položim taj online test. Mislim, zamislite koja je lažna država, polaži test za početnik online, strašno, nema ni kamere, ni ničega. Dakle, ovdje s leve strane telefona. Hotel centar, ovdje je movie room s desne strane, to sam još bio. Trenutno smo gledali vlog, svaki utrka premijerom nema vlog. Ne znam, zanima ovo. Sve radi na ove magnetne priveske. Čekaj, možemo ja obično vodim ovdje i snimam. Radim na vlogu, ali danas imam drugi odnose. Imamo sve završeno oko 2-3 sata. Završeno oko 2-3 sata kako bih mogao da odradim, kako bi mogli da ga menimo večeras u 4. julu. Znači 4. julu kad su patrijarski, nikad ne postoji uopšte. Sada je unikadan primjer. Žurka za 4. juli već je na krovu. Do sad sam polagao ono za bartending dozvolu. 3 sata je trajalo. Više put sam pomišljao sam ubistvo koliko je bilo dosadno, ali zato idemo sad iz dominira. Tu izvuču, naravno, spremno. Idemo vlog.
Now let's have a little bit of fun now. I make one track out of two now, and it's a little bit funny when I'm wrong now, but everybody's talking about the breakdown. Break these records into pieces and fix them together just how I need them. Play it in the club at 12 o'clock, and what can I say? Party non-stop. Stop, 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 stop. What can I say? Party non-stop. Stop, 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 stop. Now let's have a little bit of fun now. I make one track out of two now, and it's a little bit funny when I'm wrong now, but everybody's talking about the breakdown. So I break these records into pieces and fix them together just how I need them. Play it in the club at 12 o'clock, and what can I say? Party non-stop. What can I say? Party non-stop. feel the push inside. Move your body non-stop, take a breath and fill your glass up and raise your hands up. It's time to blink and wink to the girl with the glamorous things. Go on, this ship won't sink. We feel like nightclub kings. Stop, 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 stop.
Šta je podsjetno? Da je danas najveći američki praznik, kada smo ga mi preuzeli.
Hvala Bogu, zna se ko vlada me.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, I feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. From town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Happy 4th of July, Serbia. Angel from Atlanta to New Orleans.
During the night I talk to you.
Serbia, Tokyo.
Sorry, thank you. Serbia, New Orleans, there. Gledali smo vatromet, idemo se nađemo sa Srbima sada. Ako sam mnogo svetao, to je zato što imamo ovu ultra jaku LED diode za GoPro. To ćemo saznati kako se utišava kasnije. Evo ga Darko, pope specijalna jedinica. Darko, idemo Brazil. I sad idemo se nađemo s još Srba, jer naravno uvijek ima Srba, ne poznajem ih inače, ali uvijek ima Srba u svakom gradu u koji dođete. Inače ovako izgleda ulica New Orleans Central Business Districtu, a jeste da se ga zove Central Business District, ovo je ulica Common. Ili kako mi zovemo ulicu Common, Darko? Ulica Čomana, ulica Komana, ali to je otprilike to. Idemo, bro!